Heyo guys, my name's Percival and welcome back to the virtual world. Today we're going to be looking at the clothing editor inside of Vroid and how you can make your own clothes inside of Vroid to style your avatar and make them look fabulous. So like all the other editors inside of Vroid, we have a design tab and a texture tab, but underneath those tabs we now have a category tab. This is where we can change the categories of clothing we want to change. So let's start off with the design tab first. So this design tab lets us choose different presets that were either from Vroid themselves or that we've made. So let me just show you some of the presets you can choose from. So first we have the base model, which is naked. We have the uniform, we have a dress, we have a uniform with a skirt, we have a long coat, and then yeah, these are just some I've made. And you can also see the right section of the design tab. You can choose like different individual pieces of clothing, as you can see up here. So if I boom, boom. And you can also change like different parameters of the clothing, as in like you can change like the sleeves, the creases, and even more. Again, you can use this to design your Vroid model in the way you want it, so make sure to use it. Next we go to the categories tab. So this tab allows you to change from editing the design of the clothing to editing the design of the accessories and shoes. It will open up the design tab on the other ones, and you can choose between like different accessories to wear. And like on the shoes, you can also do that. You can choose like what kind of shoes you want to wear. And you can also choose like the toe shape and how tall the soles are. I decided to make mine quite high because I like big shoes. And after that we get onto the texturing, which is exactly like the body editor and face editor texturing. I recommend you looking at the videos I made about the face editor and the body editor to learn about the texturing styles of Vroid. I'll make sure to link those in the description, or I'll put them in the card up there. Obviously if you're good at drawing, then I'd recommend you drawing your own clothing, but if not, don't worry, I'm going to show you a great place to get some clothes for your Vroid model. So like I mentioned on the last video, I'm usually looking on Booth for different clothing while I'm still learning how to like draw. It's a great place to look because there's a lot on here for everyone. So if you're looking for clothing to buy or like get for free, then make sure you look on Booth. Also, a bit of warning, make sure the creator of the asset said that it's fine to use for VTubing, because you can get in a lot of trouble if the creator wants to be credited and you don't credit them, or if you're not allowed to use the asset at all for VTubing. I made a video yesterday on how to import clothing into Vroid, so if you guys want help with that, I'll make sure to link that in the description, or I'll in the card up top. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. It really means a lot that you decided to come check it out. I'm gonna log off now guys, so I'll see you guys in the next video.